Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. Today's question is point calculation. In this question, your favorite team participated in the recent FIFA World Cup and in the group stages, they won A games, drew B games, and lost C games. How many points did your team score? A win is awarded 3 points, a draw is awarded 1 point, and a loss 0 points. So basically, the team participated and won A matches and got 3 times A points. Drew B games, so got B into 1, which is B number of points, and lost C games, so got basically 0 points for each of those games. Now we need to tell the total number of points our team scored, which would be simply 3 times A plus B because we won A matches and drew B matches, right? So in the input format, we are given three integers separated by a space, which are A, B, and C. In the output format, we need to tell the total number of points which are won by our team. In the constraints, we are given that A, B, C will be in between 0 and 3, and the sum of A, B, and C will be equal to 3 itself. So in the first sample case, we won 3 matches, drew 0 games, and lost 0 games. So the total number score of our team would be 3 times 3 plus B times 1 times 0, which is 9. And that's the answer. For the second test case, the answer would be 0 times 3 plus 1 times 1, which is 1. And that's the answer. So in the solution, all we need to do is print 3 times A plus B after taking in the input of A, B, and C. Now let's see how to do that in Python and C++. So this is how we'll do it in Python. We'll take in the input of A, B, and C using this map and input dot split. So what exactly are we doing here? First of all, we're taking in the input of the whole line as a string and then splitting it with respect to spaces. So this would give us a list of strings. Then we'll convert that list of strings into a map, like into integers and map them inside A, B, and C. And then we'll simply print 3 times A plus B. And that's pretty much the whole solution. In Python, the time complexity is constant because we're just doing a very few constant time operations. Now let's see the solution in C++. So we'll begin by taking in the input of A, B, and C using cin, and we'll simply be printing 3 times A plus B because that's exactly what we need to print. And that's pretty much the whole solution. The time complexity again is constant because we're just doing very few number of constant time operations. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.